guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ashani, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, a very big thank you to you for sticking out here, even though I've not been uploading as consistently as I would have hoped. And I hope that in this new year I'm able to put out some very good content for you guys, something educative and perhaps entertaining at the same time. So in today's video I'm going to be making a plushie, which was an order. But the interesting thing about this video is that this plushie, as you can see on the screen, is made out of a plush yarn. It's a bunny that is made out of plush yarn, but I do not have plush yarn, so I'm going to be trying to use a substitute by trying to recreate the thickness. By the way, plush yarn is a very thick, soft, and this teddy-like texture kind of yarn. Now, when you are done with it, it actually gives you the texture of a teddy bear. Like, you make an actual teddy bear with it. So I don't have that. I may not be able to achieve that feel, but I should be able to achieve the thickness, and I should be able to work this pattern. I don't have a pattern for this also, so I'm just going to be working it up as I go, and perhaps if I like the pattern, maybe I would put it out for you guys to be able to use it too. So without any further ado, let's get into the actual tutorial. So this is the yarn that I'm using. I just wanted to show you guys a close-up of it. It's a very thin yarn. In fact, this is a sock weight, a very lightweight yarn basically, and we cannot use this to achieve what we want with the bunny. So what I've just done now is I've picked one strand from the center of this ball of yarn and one strand from the outside. So two strands now I get from one ball of yarn. And then I just did the same thing for the remaining 3 balls of yarn. So I have 4 balls, 2 strands from each, so that gives me 8 strands in total for this 4 balls. So I have 8 strands in total, so I'm going to work with this using a 6.5mm crochet hook. I hope you can see it, 6.5, and then I would start with a magic ring. I'm starting with the legs, with the bottom of the bunny, so I'm just going to work something up and come back and show you guys what I've got. Alright guys, so I've just finished working one side of the leg, and this is what I have so far, and I have to tell you guys I am loving this. Absolutely focus please. Absolutely loving this. Also, I switched to a 7mm crochet hook because it was just the 6.5 was not doing it. So I'll make the second leg, join it, and update you from there. So we're making progress. So I finished the 2 legs here and I've joined it here. Don't ask me how I did this join because it was just jumbled up. But yeah, we've joined it and I'm going to start working around the body now. Alright guys, so here is some progress shot. So at this junction I have good news and bad news. The good news is I'm already working on a pattern for this, so by the time I finish this I should have a pattern, and hopefully it's up before I upload this video. Either way, you'll see a link. Just subscribe. So the bad news, however, is that I'm running out of yarn. So I didn't know it was going to take this much yarn, but it seems like I won't be able to finish this project today. So yeah, so I just have to go and get more yarn very soon so that I can put out this video for you guys. Okay, this is how far I've gone and I've stuffed it, so I just want to make one more round, which is a decrease round for the body, and then I will just close it up. So I have to tell you guys that this is actually the next day. I couldn't do much again last night, and we still haven't run out of yarn yet. So I'm thinking I might be able to see some out of this to make the ants. Okay, so I will just keep you guys updated. So it's all done. Let me just show you guys how much yarn I have left. So this is what we have left. So I'm just going to start with the arms, because I have the ear, the arms, and the ears left to do, and I think among those 3 the arms should take the least. So I'm going to start with the arms for the plushie, and then I'll just see where it goes from there. So I'm sure you've seen this one. arms. Right, I said sleeves. Well, now we have the arms all done, and I was thinking that the yarn would be enough to finish the arms and then maybe start working on the ears, but this is all the yarn that we have left. So we cannot work on the ears, so I'll just have to stop here today and pick up from here next week, or you know, whenever. But here, this is what we have so far, and I'm loving it. So after a few days, I'm finally here to continue my project with my new yarn. I'm just noticing right now that this yarn is slightly different. You might not be able to see it off camera, but this one seems to have a pinker tint than this one. I don't know, but well, we're just going to use leather because the difference is not so much, or it could just be because this one is not yet worked up yet. Maybe it will start to look like this one once I start working. So let's get right into making the head of this bunny. So I have successfully pulled out my 8 strands of yarn. So I have 4 skeins of this, and from each skein of yarn I got 2 strands, so one from the center and one from the outside. So just to recap for those that missed it the first time, so now I have my 8 strands of yarn. I can start working on the head and the ears of the bunny. So I have 5 rounds done here, and I think this is the increase I'll be doing. Let me just see how wide that is. This is all the increase I'll be doing for the head. I'm just contemplating, should I do one more increase? I'm not sure. I don't want the head to be too big, but I also feel like bigger heads are cuter. So I think I'll just stop here and start working the next few rounds. So after a few rounds of increases, I've worked some few rounds of just regular single crochets into stitches, no increases. So at this point now, I think I'll start to reduce to form the head. So the head is all done, and I have stuffed it up. Ooh, I'm getting excited. So I've not done the ears, but just want to take a look. Like, assembling this is going to be real fun, because once the pieces are all done, all that is left is to assemble them together. So stay tuned. So I'm sure you guys have seen these pieces already. That's the head, the body, and these are the arms. Sorry the video is looking this way, it's already getting dark here. And this is the ear. So I have just one piece right now, and I'm not done. I still want it to be a little bit longer than this, so I'll just continue working on this and make the second part and come back to show you my progress. I changed the amount of strands that I picked for the ears because I want to make sure that I do not have to get any more yarn. So I switched to a 6.5mm hook, and I use just 4 strands as opposed to the 8 strands that I use for the body. So anyway, all the instructions for whichever yarn you're using will be in my written pattern, so go check that out. Hi guys, welcome back. So first of all, it is the next day. So but I'm so excited today because this day I assemble all my pieces together and be finally done with this project. And like I mentioned earlier, I'll have a written pattern uploaded to Lovecraft, and I'll leave a link in the description of this video so that you can go there to check it out in case you want to make it yourself. So let's get into it. So a little confession, today is the next day. But yeah, I'm finally done with the ears of the bunny, and now it's time to just assemble all of this together. But I'm going to start with doing the embroidery for the eyes with this black yarn. I have all my tools here, so yeah. So after a few minutes of hard work, this is what I have going on. No comments on the eyes, please, you guys. I just had to improvise with some beads because I don't have those big safety eyes that was used in the picture. So now I'm going to attach the ears. Ooh, it's looking cute. The ears have been successfully attached. I can't help but laugh when I look at this, honestly. But so far, I think it's coming out cute. So now I'm going to attach the head to the body. Actually, I think I'm supposed to attach the arms to the body. Which one should come first? To the body first, then I will now attach the head. Because if I attach the head first, I will not see the stitches to attach the body to. Am I right? It took me a few minutes, but I've attached the arms. And all that is left now is to, oh my goodness, join these two pieces together and we are done. Ooh. Yeah, let's do that. Ooh. Guys, I am done sewing the head to the body. I have to tell you guys that was the most difficult thing that I've ever done in my life. Amigurumi might be you might hear that amigurumi is easy kind of crochet project that you can do, but it might work up faster than other crochet projects. But I tell you that piecing them together, the construction process is definitely a very tedious one. And you can see here that I still did not get this right. You can see there's some issues going on right here. So I tend to put something, maybe like a bow or something, just to cover up that part of this project. But I'm mostly done, and so far I think I love it. Wow. Guys, I tell you the truth, this is my cutest project yet. I love it so much. What do you guys think? If you enjoyed this video or learned even just a little bit, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comment section and I would respond to them. Once again, there will be a written pattern for this. So if you would like to make it, do check it out. Bye guys.